Okay, so what is substitution suggested by the equation? So meaning by simply looking at the problem. For example, for this one, maybe you can see something na pwede nyong i-substitute to make your differential equation uh, maybe direct integrable or can be transformed into other kind of differential equation. Because, for example, for this one, most probably you will try to determine first what kind of differential equation is this equation. So maybe this is it variable separable? I don't think so. I think hindi. Then exact ba siya? Maybe hindi din. Then homogeneous, maybe hindi pa rin. Okay. And linear, I don't think so. By inspection, I don't know if we can use yung exact differential. But sometimes sa problem pa lang mismo, siya na mismo yung magbibigay ng suggestion by simply looking at the problem or by inspection. We can say that some substitution is applicable to make your differential equation simpler or to make this I think direct integrable or variable separable. So since here mapapansin mo dito may x plus 2y doon tapos merong x plus 2y din dito. Maybe ito pa lang magbibigay na ng suggestion na you can try to substitute this term yung x plus 2y into another variable. Okay? Let's say let u is equal to x plus 2y. Then the derivative of du. Kumbaga parang magsasubstitute ka, magagamit ka ng another variable to make this or the result will be transported into let's say variable separable o kaya naman any other differential equation wherein alam na natin yung solution. Okay. Then take the derivative du is equal to dx then to dy. This is this is the derivative of u. Then maybe we will convert one of the two variables in our original differential equation. Let's say ang ilipat natin yung x. Okay? Maybe dx and that is du. Transfer mo to sa kabila. This is du minus 2 dy. Pwede naman yung dy ang i-substitute. Pwede naman y as a function of x. Pero this one, x as a function of y and u. Okay. So pag sinubstitute mo yon here, if you will substitute, this will become u. Then dx is this one, du minus 2 dy. Then plus this one is u. Then magkakaroon ng plus 1. Then dy equals 0. So ang magiging variable mo dito, again, parang sa homogeneous differential equation, u na tsaka y. Then distribute u du minus 2u dy plus u dy plus dy. Then meron pa pwedeng pagsamahin dyan. Ito, this will become negative u dy. Yan. So u du minus u dy plus dy. Then factor out, here, pinactor out yung negative dy. So kaya naging u minus 1 na lang yan. Then dy equals 0. And this one is now variable separable. Okay? So alam niyo na siyang i-solve. So just separate u from y and y from u. So just divide the whole equation by the coefficient of dy as a function of u, which is quantity u minus 1. Then if you will divide this will become u du over 1 minus dy equals 0. Okay? So ito ang ano na to, you can transform this into variable separable differential equation by using substitution. Okay? Then we can still solve this one, so we can proceed to continue the solution of this one. Since pares sila ng power, yung u mo dito at saka the u sa denominator, you can use long division if you want. But mas madali if we will use plus and minus method. So I will just add or minus 1. Minus 1 positive plus 1, so walang nangyari. Okay? So here, magsasama itong dalawa na to, magiging 1 na lang, then plus 1 over u minus 1 du minus dy. So we can now integrate. So pag in-integrate mo yon, this is u, then this one is ln of u minus 1. I will not anymore discuss this integration. Alam niyo na yan. Then this one is ln negative y, dy lang naman yan. Then this one is a constant. Then substitute what is u. Ang variables natin dito ay x and y lang. So substitute u. So u is equal to x plus 2y. So this will become x plus 2y. Then this will become ln of quantity x plus 2y minus 1, then minus y equals c. Or, may minus y doon, tsaka may plus 2y. So, pagsamahin mo lang. So, x plus y plus ln of quantity x plus 2y minus 1 equals constant. And that is the answer. So, by simple substitution, we can transform this into variable separable differential equation. Sometimes, there is no other way to solve this problem, but only by substitution. Okay, meron mga problems na kahit ano gawin mo, wala kang hindi mo masosolve, but by substitution lang talaga. Meron tayong problem na susunod yan. Then here, x plus sine y, quantity x plus sine y dx plus x cosine y dy equals 0. So here, pag titingnan nyo yung problem, may makikita kayong sine y, and the derivative of sine y is cosine y dy. So therefore, yung problem mismo nagbibigay ng suggestion na you have to substitute sine y. Okay. First and foremost, if you don't know what kind of differential equation this one is, again, ang proper solution natin, check if it is variable separable. The next one, check naman if it is exact equation, if it's homogeneous, linear, if you can use exact differential, pwede yun. Maybe this one, pwedeng ibang method, but this one is, ang topic natin is substitution suggested by the equation. So, I will try to substitute sine y, okay, by u. Then let u equal sine y, then the derivative ng u is cosine of y. So, pag sinubstitute mo yun, x plus u, then dx plus x, this one is u, or du rather. So ito na lang ang lalabas. So therefore, these equations becomes pwedeng is it variable separable? Hindi siguro. This one is exact. I think this one is exact. This is also linear. This is linear with respect to u. Okay. You can use also exact differential to solve these problems. So in this one, ang ginamit na solution, so maraming solution na to, marami ng pwedeng gawin na solution dito. But for this one, I will solve it using exact differential. So distribute x dx plus u dx, then ibaba nyo lang to x du. So this one is exact differential of derivative ng ux. Ayan, itong term na to. That is derivative ng ux. Then pag sinubstitute mo, x dx, then derivative ng ux is equal to 0. Okay, wala. Nakikita niyo yung ano ko? Class? Malinaw ba? Buo?
Yes po, sir. Malinaw.
Ha? Buo naman?
Opo, sir.
Medyo nabago yata yung format ng ano ko ng Google Meet. Nabago yung ano niya. Anyway. So, here, therefore, ano na to? Direct integrable na siya. We can now integrate the integral of x dx plus the integral of dux is equal to 0. Kasi siya scan copy to nung reviewer ko, then inano ko lang, nag-snipping tool lang ako, kaya medyo hindi siya ganun kagandang kalinis yung mga text. Anyway, so this will become x squared over 2 plus ux na lang to is equal to a constant. Then substitute u equals sine y. Then therefore the result is x squared over 2 plus x sine y equals c. And that is the answer. So ganun lang. So here, naging variable separable ulit. Or you can use any other solution. Dito, ang ginawa na to ay, no, not variable separable. Ang ginawa dito ay by substituting exact differential, yung integrating factor found by inspection. Okay. Then, this one, problem C. Here, quantity 3x minus 2y plus 1 dx plus quantity 3x minus 2y plus 3 dy equals 0. So here, solution, here, again, I don't know if this is not variable separable, this is not exact, never to be linear differential equation, homogeneous, hindi. May constant kasi. Hindi rin siya linear, hindi siya, by inspection, baka pwede, pero let's try to use substitution. So here, mapapasin nyo rito, parehas na naman yon, parehas ito. So inong gawin natin, 3x minus 2y equals u. Then derivative ng 3dx minus 2 dy, then equals du. Then I will choose dy. So dy is equal to, ito lipat mo sa kabila, ito lipat mo doon, so magiging 3dx minus du all over 2. Then substitute. So this will become u plus 1. Then dx is dx. Then plus, this one is u plus 3. Then dy is this one, quantity 3 dx minus du all over 2. Yan. Then, again, distribute and simplify. Ito lalabas. Okay. Medyo mahaba yung simplification ito. This will become 3 halves u tsaka u. So, 2 over 2u plus 3 over 2u. So, 5 over 2u. This one is 9 over 2 plus 1 or 2 over 2 plus 11 over 2 dx. Ito naman, copy nyo lang, 1 half quantity u plus 3 du equals 0. Yun. Then this is, you can factor out 1 half here. So 1 half 5u plus 11 dx. Then this will become, yun. Then pwede nyo cancel yung 1 half or multiplied by 2. And napansin nyo dito, this is now variable separable. Okay? So variable separable yan. So by substitution, you can use variable. This resolves to a variable separable differential equation. Okay. And this is the solution. Medyo mahaba lang ng konti. So ayan, magiging dx na lang siya. Then u plus 3 over 5u plus 11 du. Then use long division. You can use long division or you can use yung plus or minus method in order to get this value. So, long division na lang para doon kayo sanay. Pero you can use plus or minus method here. Kaya napansin nyo, yun, simplify. Then we can now integrate. This is now direct integrable. So, this is only x. This is u over 5. This is magkakaroon ng negative 4 over 5. Ang u mo dito, ang pinaka-u mo dito is 5u plus 11. Ang du is 5 du. Kulang ng 5. Walang 5 doon. Magkakaroon ng 1 over 5. Kaya magiging 4 times 5. 4 over 5 times 1 over 5 or 4 over 25. Loan of quantity 5u plus 11 equals C1. Okay. And multiply by 25. Here, pwede nyo substitute na lang yung u doon. Then that's it. That is the final answer. Pwede na siya. Again. Ako kasi gusto kong ipakita yung sagot sa libro. Multiplied by 25. 25x minus 5u minus 4 ln of 5u plus 11 is equal to 25c1. Ayan nawala lang yun. Then substitute u is equal to 3x minus 2y. So magiging 25x minus 5 times u is 3x minus quantity 3x minus 2y minus 4 ln of quantity 5, tapos ano yung u, 3x minus 2y, then plus quantity plus 11 is equal to 25c1. Then ituloy lang natin, continuation, ito yung huli. Then this will become 25x minus 15x plus 10y, and then minus 4, ito siya. Then simplify 15x minus 10y plus 11 is equal to 25 C1. Simplify pa ulit, pwede pagsamahan ito. This will become 10x plus 10y minus 4 ln of ito. Then equals 25 C1. Then divide by 2, 5x plus 5y minus 2 ln of this one, quantity 15x minus 10y plus 11 is equal to 25 over 2. Then let negative 5c is equal to 25c1 over 2. Basta kahit anong constant ito, pwede. Kaya lang gusto ko kasi palabasin yung sagot sa libro. So this will become 5x plus 5y minus 2 ln of quantity 15x. This is one is minus. Minus yan, medyo na mali lang. Minus to. Okay, so I will check ko lang. Picturean ko lang para matandaan ko lang yung mga correction. So this is, ayan. This is negative 5y, negative 10y plus 11. O naging plus. Ba't naging plus? Sandali, let's check ko lang. Dapat minus yun. Dapat minus. So minus ito dapat. Okay, so minus yan. So dapat ito. Tama. Dapat ito minus. Okay. So picturean ko lang. So may typo lang. Typographic error. Typographical error. Okay. So sige. So that's it. Medyo na ano lang to. Then this one, sin y, x plus sin y dx plus 2x squared cosine y d equals 0. So here, obviously yung sin y, pwede mong gamitin na you can use u equals sin y para masyadong maraming sin maraming cosine. So yun, let u is equal to sin y, then d is equal to cosine y dy. So this one is du. So kaya mangyayari, if you will substitute u quantity x plus sin y dx plus 2x squared cosine y dy is just du. So u quantity x plus u dx plus 2x squared du. And that is homogeneous. Okay? If it is the homogeneous, you know, I hate homogeneous. You can use other solution if you want. But I don't know if you can use other solution aside from homogeneous. So this one is the solution of homogeneous equation. Anyway, ang process naman natin dito is yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, yung pagsa-substitute to make the differential equation solvable or can be converted into different types of differential equation wherein you know the solution already. Okay. So ayan, that is the solution. Nag-substitute doon, medyo mahaba. I will not discuss anymore. Then this will turn out to be partial fraction. Then by using, I have a simple method in solving for the coefficients. Okay, I have developed a simpleng simpleng pagkuha nito by, ang tawag namin dyan is the takip method. Takip method lang siya, tinatakpan lang ito. Then you can solve for this coefficient. Ang target dito is to solve for the coefficient. You can use several methods if you want, but I have a simplified approach, which is ang tawag namin dyan ay takip method. Okay? Then continuation, after solving for A and B, then sinubstitute dito sa pag-integrate dito, then the result is ito, 2 over 3, ito. Then sinubstitute sa original dito, in-integrate ito, ln of x plus integral nito is ayan. So ln of x plus ito siya, yung integral nun, 2 over 3 ln of b over 3 plus b is equal to c1. Then let's say, let c1 equals 1/3 ln of c. Ayun na nangyari. Then continuation. Ayan. Ito yan. Then sinimplify. Multiply ito ng 3. Naging 3 ln of x plus 2 ln of ano na lang, quantity b over 3 plus b, and equals ln of c na lang. Then ito, inakyat doon sa taas, tapos ito inakyat doon. Then pinagsama, na shortcut lang ng konti, naging ln of x cubed multiplied by quantity b over 3 plus b square is equal to ln of c. Then nawala yung ln. Naging x cubed times quantity b over all over 3 plus b square is equal to c. Then, take we can substitute yung b is equal to u over x. And then your u is equal to sine y. Diretso na natin ang substitution. So therefore, b becomes sine y over x. So ito yon. And ito pa siya. Get the least common denominator, x. This will become 3x plus sine y. And makakancel yung x dito, tsaka yung x doon. So this will become x cubed. Then sine y, quantity sine y all over 3x plus sine y square is equal to c. Then, in-square ito, naging sine squared y, ito in-square, so quantity 3x plus sine y square is equal to c. Then, cross-multiply, x cubed, sine squared y is equal to c, quantity 3x plus sine y square. And that is the answer. Medyo mahaba yung solution because naging homogeneous siya. Okay. So, pero wala tayong choice, you have to follow the solution. Okay. Uy, may answer ka agad doon na mali. So here, dy over dx is equal to quantity 9x plus 4y plus 1 square. So here, you will notice here na medyo mahirap yung problem na to. Without substitution, you can solve this problem. Maybe ang gagawin mo dyan, you will expand this one. Pag in-expand mo yan, pag in-expand mo, medyo dadami yung term. At the same time, hindi mo siya palagay kung masosolve. Okay? So here, ang gagawin mo, make this, alisin mo yung pagkakomplikado ng problem. So, i-convert mo to into a single variable. So, yun na kagad. Makikita mo na kagad na ito, kailangan mo i-substitute na isang variable. So, from here, let u is equal to sine x plus 4y plus 1. Okay. Then, du is equal to 9 dx plus 4y, then derivative nitong 4dy plus derivative ng 1 is 0. Then, ano yung kakonvert natin? Kakonvert, okay? Then, yung dy. dy na lang siguro para mas madali. So, kunin natin yung dy. So, ito, lipat mo sa kabila. Ito, du minus 9 dx, divide mo sa 4. Then, substitute. Yan ang lalabas. Pag sinubstitute mo siya, yung dy is quantity du of minus 9 dx all over 4 all over dx is equal to, this will become u square only. U square. Then, cross multiply, tsaka yung 4, magiging du minus 9 dx is equal to 4u squared dx. Then, simplify, ito nilipat sa kabila, naging positive, naging 4u squared dx plus na siya, 9 dx. Then, factor out dx, so naging quantity 4u squared plus 9 dx. And the result is variable separable. This one is variable separable differential equation. Then integrate or divide mo to sa coefficient ng dx. So du over 4u squared plus 9 is equal to dx. Then I think we can now integrate. So integrate ito. And it is the same as yung 4 kasi, that is 2 square. Kaya magiging the integral of du all over quantity 2u squared plus 3 squared is equal to the integral ng dx is x, then plus a constant of integration. But let's try to analyze this one. From the integral of du all over quantity a squared plus u squared, it is equal to 1 over a arctan of u over a plus c. So, ang a mo dito is 3, and then ang pinaka-u mo is 2u. So, therefore, ang u mo is, ang pinaka-u mo doon ay 2u. Ang du mo is 2du. Eh, du lang doon. Kaya magkakaroon ng 1/2. Kaya nagkaroon ng 1/2 dito. So, 1/2, itong, tas yung 1 over a, ang a mo is 3, then arctan of u over a, or 2u over 3. So, ito ngayon yung the integral ng ito. This is equal to 1 over 6 arctan of 2u all over 3. Then therefore, ang integral nito is 1 over 6. Ito, arctan u 2u over 3 is equal to x plus c. So, ginawa itong c over 6. Okay, ginawang yung constant, ginawang... Again, it could be any constant, ha? Pwedeng wag nyo nang galawin to, pwedeng wag nyo nang galawin. Pwedeng C1 yan, it could be any constant. Basta a constant multiplied by another constant is still a constant. Pinakita lang kasi dito na gusto niyang palabasin yung sagot sa libro. Pwede kasi dito lumabas is over 6. C over 6. So, ayan yan, C over 6. Then, multiply sa 6, naging, nawala na yung 6. So, arctan 2u over 3 is equal to 6x plus c. Then, from the arctan theta is equal to a, theta is equal to tan a. Di ba, no? And therefore, yung 2u over 3 is equal to tangent ng quantity 6x plus 3. So, from here, from ito, 2u over 3 is equal to tangent of quantity 6x plus c. Then multiply sa 3, 2u is equal to 3 tangent quantity 6x plus c. But substitute u is equal to 6x plus 4y plus 1. Ito yung u natin kanina. Then, the result will be 2. Quantity 9x plus 4y plus 1 equals 3 tangent of quantity 6x plus constancy. Okay. So here, dito medyo mahirap yung ito lang ang possible na maging solution talaga ng problem na to by substitution. You cannot anymore expand this one, medyo mahirap. Tatlong term, then mahirap i-solve. So the only way to solve this, I think, as far as I know, is by substitution. Okay, so end of topic for substitution suggested by the equation. So meron tayong marami tayong naging problem. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Oh, mali pala yun, apat. Apat na apat, lima, then 6. Yeah, I think that is enough to understand substitution suggested by the equation.